Hello, my name is Sofia and I'm a health science student at College Montmorency, and now it's my second year in this program. So this is a pre-university program that prepares students to get in science program, such as, for example, biotechnology or pharmacy. My goal is to become an international renowned pharmacist, and to get there, I will need to make clear reports in English as well as speaking to my clients in this language and knowing drugs terminologies. To be able to respond to my requirements and goals, I use virtual writing tutor to help me to improve my English and to have text a nice text and well corrected. And I really suggest it to others that might find it difficult to express themselves in English. So yeah, in this short tutorial, I am going to guide you through all the steps you need to take to get to this site. So firstly, when opening Google, you must type on the address bar located in the middle of the page the URL, which is virtual writing tutor. Ooh. Virtual writing tutor. Yeah. So then when the page pops up, you will see the logo, which, by the way, when you click on it, it refreshes the page. Then below the logo, you will see the navigation menu, which you can use to share your corrected text or also create a profile right here. Then you can see in the top right of the page different icons such as Twitter, Facebook, Google, or the thing that I don't really know the name. Also, those icons permits you to share your corrected work on social media. So yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to properly use the site to correct your text or even speeches you might want to do. For example, in my case, I'll need to be able to write properly all the words in my reports in order to be professional. So for example, I would write my full reports on the site before copy and send it to my superiors in order to be sure to not make typos. Yeah, for example, I'm going to write substance with a capital S, like this. And I accidentally make a typo because I'm writing too fast on the text area. I can then click on the other navigation menu located at the bottom of the text area to check if I have no mistake. So I click on check grammar to see if I have no mistake. I have a mistake on this word, and they're suggesting me to write substance with an A instead of an E. So I will come back on the text area and I will just change it quickly like this. So then if I have corrected, so yeah, I have corrected my text and my error, I can click on the check grammar again right here, and I can see that I have successfully corrected my error. Now for the speeches. This site is very helpful because, as you can see, you can write your text on the text area, and then you can click on the little speaker located beside the text area, and it will recite your text, and you'll be able to correct or add things to your speech if you see that it's missing something or something is badly said while listening to it. So right here, I don't know how to say substance, I just click on the button. Here,
substance.
Right now I know how to say substance. It's beautiful. So then finally, I hope this little tutorial was helpful and you'll be drawn to the site in the future. Thank you very much.